This is the Greek Word of the Day with James Gregory. Hello there, welcome to the Greek Word of the Day. Today we have ἐκκλησία. Ἐκκλησία. It means church, the church, assembly, congregation. It actually means literally the called out ones, or one who is called out. The genitive is ἐκκλησίας. It is feminine using E, the definite article. Now let's take a look at it in BDAG real quick. It's a regularly summoned legislative body, assembly, as generally understood in the Greco-Roman world. Is there anything they add to that? No. A casual gathering of people, an assemblage, gathering. It's a people with shared belief, community, congregation. For example, the community of Pythagoras was one ἐκκλησία. It could be along the lines of community and congregation in reference to Old Testament Israelites, the assembly, the congregation. It could be used of Christians in a specific place or area, where the term ἐκκλησία apparently became popular among Christians in Greek-speaking areas for chiefly two reasons. One was to affirm continuity with Israel through use of a term in Greek translations of the Septuagint, and to allay any suspicion, especially in political circles, that Christians were a disorderly group, because the Romans were a suspicious folk. It could have been used of specific Christian group, assembly, gathering, ordinarily involving worship and discussion of matters of concern to the community. Or it could be the congregation or church as the totality of Christians living and meeting in a particular locality or larger geographical area, but not necessarily limited to one meeting place. So this is where you get Paul saying things like the church in Corinth, the church in Ephesus, the church in Philippi, kind of that thing. The global community of Christians, the universal church. This is church with a capital C, which would be like the Church of God, the Church of Christ, the Church of God and Christ, the first spiritual church from, I think that's a reference out of, what is that? It says Second Catholiki? What? I think it's supposed to be Second Clementine, but I could be wrong. That's it. So there you have it. ἐκκλησία. Church. The called out one. That's today's Greek Word of the Day. Hit subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Come back tomorrow. Learn another one. And we'll see you later. Bye-bye.